Hello friends, stop recreating designs manually. Use this amazing Canva hack to create any poster design within a minute. So watch till the end and subscribe to my channel for more design ideas. So let's start. So select first poster design layout. Now go to Google and simply here type poster, food poster. Choose any poster design which you want to recreate. I choose this poster design. Now save this poster design. Okay, now go to app and here type Kodia AI designs. Okay, now here click on upload and choose the downloaded image. Okay, this type say, then click on add to design. Then within a minute you can see the magic. You get a editable template of poster. Now you can change this poster design as you want. Okay, now simply edit heading, then spacing. Okay, now simply I remove the previous image of food and add this traditional thali photo. Okay, this hack is useful for beginners who don't know designs. Okay, so you can practice. Okay, now add shadow, then just highlight that order. Now keep in center, change the color. By using this app you can add any screenshot or any photo and get a editable template, and according to your need, according to your choice, you can edit and create a new poster within a minute. So now you can see within a minute your food poster design is almost ready. So in addition, I just add one subheading. Okay, now lastly I just want to change the color of background. Choose this background color. Now you can see the previous poster image and a newly poster image. Here is your full poster design is ready. You must try this amazing Canva hack, and if you like this Canva hack then comment down below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.